na wamedhamini chama ya Jubilee. Kuna wale ambao wanajiita wao ndio wako na chama ya Jubilee, lakini kama mlivyosikia juzi, hata walipoenda huko kotini wakidai kuwakilisha chama cha Jubilee kwa ile kesi iliyowasilishwa na Azimio la Umoja kuhusu ni nani majority na ni nani minority kwa bunge, walifukuzwa na koti. Wakili wao alifukuzwa na wakili wetu ndiye anasimamia hii chama. Hata CMD wametambua Secretary General wetu ni Kioni, party leader Uhuru Kenyatta, na ile NEC ambayo ilichaguliwa 2022 March wakati tulifanya NDC, na hiyo ni uamuzi wa koti. Hawa ndio wale walio ofisini kikamilifu. Hawa wengine wanaenda kukutana huko msituni, hiyo ni shauri yao, wanajua chuma yao iko motoni. These cases will be determined in due course. Well, we are deliberating. We are still going to go back this afternoon. We are here to discuss about how we are going to grow our party, how we are engaged in the Azimio coalition, because some of these fellows have been going around saying how we are not going to be in the coalition. The Speaker of the National Assembly was very, very clear. Even as he recognized Jubilee as a parliamentary party, Jubilee has always been a parliamentary party. The parliamentary party always has its own whip, but they have to work within the framework of either the majority party or the minority party. We are part of the minority party by dint of the ruling of the Speaker, although we still believe we are the majority. And that is a case for determination in the High Court. We're also talking about preparation for our 2027 game as a Jubilee, as part of the Azimio la Umoja. We have our own challenges which we are deliberating about, where the rain started beating us and what we're going to do about that. And I'm going to ask the SG to come and enumerate one or two things about the way forward for Jubilee Party, how we're going to roll out, and the way we're going to reactivate our networks and our grassroots, and Jubilee to be the party to watch within the framework of the Azimio coalition. And he will also tell you officially the official party position about the National Dialogue report that came out the day before yesterday. And just to be clear, because Mheshimiwa Mwanje is here and he's a minority deputy whip, he will also tell you about our position in Parliament. Because for the Speaker to purport to elect a whip for the Jubilee Party, that is none of his business. We as a party are the ones who will write to the Speaker to tell him who is the whip of Jubilee Party in the House. That PG is going to be called by the party leader and the Secretary General, and whoever we will agree on as the whip of the Jubilee Party in Parliament will be communicated by the Secretary General as per our party constitution. Asanteni sana. SG.
Yes. Jambo la kwanza